Okay, hello? Hey, hi, hello, everyone.
Subscriber hi.
Hi, Dark, thank you so much for the resub. Oh my god, I appreciate that. Hi, how are you doing? Boo, what's up, Ghost Rag? We got two ghosts in here. Hi, Ghostblade. Nice job, Neo Squib. Wait, where did my lip gloss go? I did not brush my hair, but it's fine. Got the after shower waves going on. Oh my god. At least you're getting a bike. That'll be fun. This is my outfit for today, for tonight's stream. Now. Okay, I've got the bread, I've got the chips in front of me. I'm so excited to tell y'all what we're gonna be making. Let me grab the food real quick. I'm gonna need meat, cheese, mayo. See, is this still good? Fuck it, we'll give garlic aioli a try with it. And then lemons. Okay, so we're bringing out the nice glass today. Ready, I'm excited. My hair's a little bit of a mess, but it's fine. We're not gonna be really cooking too much today. It's not gonna be any like cooking, but we are gonna be toasting some bread. Let me get into what we're gonna be making. So, hi everyone, welcome in. My name is gabsxrose. I'm a bunny girl variety streamer over on Twitch at gabsxrose on all socials. Today, we're gonna be jumping right into episode 4 of What's for Dinner Wednesday with a drink. Today we're gonna be making some homemade lemonade. I'm gonna teach y'all how to do that, as well as I'm gonna pair it with a classic toasted turkey and cheese and chips sandwich. This is gonna be a themed video on American nostalgia. I have quite a few things planned for my upcoming streams, such as I wanna make some like nostalgic meals. I wanna make some meals from different countries. But today I was really hungry and I was just craving something quick and easy to make. So this is something simple and easy that you can make at home with things that you probably already have in your fridge. So let's start with the lemonade because I don't want the toast to get too cold. So I'm gonna rip right into the lemon. W banner. Okay, I've got my lemons here. I've got a container for the lemon juice to go in. I'm gonna squeeze the lemon juice into your container. Let's see here. Just cut them in half. You can separate the seeds if you're able to, which is recommended so you don't accidentally swallow a seed. Seedless lemons, if possible. Grow a frickin' tree while you're at it. I'm not gonna take them all out just because that would be kind of torturous. But I recommend drinking the lemonade through a straw if you're able to. And then you're just gonna go ahead, hand squeeze your lemons into the container. I like to dig my nails into the juice. You're gonna get some seeds in there. High resistance, what are you up to? Just start hand squeezing all the lemons. You can use one of those squeezy thingies if you have it. I'm just gonna squeeze them by hand, just because I feel like it makes it taste all the better. All right, there's one half. I'm gonna probably put 2 to 4 lemons in here. Yeah, juicy, look at all that juice. I love lemon juice. Which is why this is perfect, because I love sour lemonade. So, hi Sylv, hello Chi-Chi's. It was so much fun running into you last night on Val. I played some Val off stream last night. It was quite enjoyable, honestly. If you need to, dig your nails into the juice of the fruit. Kind of helps you get more than one of those thingies do. You told your team to take it easy on me? Yeah, for sure. We'll go with that. Make sure you're squeezing it into your container. I haven't made this lemonade in so long, honestly. I'm so excited. So when you make homemade lemonade, you can either make it as sugary or sour as you want. You can do the same with store-bought, but like, you shouldn't have to. There's already enough sugar in those fucking things. And see, or maybe 3. Maybe we'll do 3, because I'm not sure. You want the ratio to be pretty even. Okay, that one's done. You're able to get a lot more juice when you flip it inside out. Today we're going to be making a toasted turkey and cheese sandwich with chips on it. So back to the summer days when you'd go inside for a cup of lemonade and a nice cold sandwich with some chips on it. I like to think that it's more American nostalgia. I'm not sure if any other cultures or countries do. Try this out, and if you do try it, let me know. Or if you have done it, let me know where you're from. Because I think that it's something simple and easy to make. Now, I probably could strain this. Let me strain it real quick. Hello, Blunt Smokin', how are you? Okay. I'm gonna use my strainer. Look at all those seeds it caught. Oh wait, you can't really see. Caught a lot of seeds. So, I'm going to pour this back in the container. Don't worry, I'm wiping the table off after. And then, now we've got our base of lemon juice. You can use you can buy lemon juice, I'm pretty sure, if you really want to. But we're gonna go fill this thing up to about here with water. And then we're gonna taste test it. You always wanna taste test as you go. All right, this is our lemon base, lemon water base, technically. So, now we grab our sugar. I'm gonna add, to start with, 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, I'm gonna mix this up and then we're gonna taste test it. Now, I like my lemonade a little bit more sugary on the sour, but on the sour side. So add as much as you feel like you like and is necessary. Super sour. So, since I know it's super, super sour, I'm gonna add about 2 more tablespoons of sugar. Yeah, you could probably just throw this thing in the freezer and have some frozen lemonade. All right. Now we give it a try after stirring. Do another taste test. Oh my God, so fucking good. Okay, this is a little sour, but that is how I like mine. But maybe like 1 more tablespoon of sugar and it'd be a little more on the sweeter side. But this is perfect to me, honestly. I love the sour tinge to it. This is ready to go. Okay, this should be a little easier to drink out of. All right. Oh my God, yes. Honestly, with just a little bit more sugar, it would be on the more sweeter side. Like, it's perfect. Oh yeah. Cheers, chat. Take a drink. First legitimate taste test. That's delicious. Honestly, I could probably put like a lemon slice on the side to add some little pizzazz to it. Like right here. Oh, that'd be cute. I want to cut up another lemon now, damn it. But 3 tablespoons of sugar. My cats are being little crazies in the back. Isn't that right? Okay, now we're getting into the food for today. I'm gonna start with some bread. So this is hard rolled bread. I'm gonna be taking 2 pieces, putting them in the toaster. What I'm gonna be using on my sandwich today is some mayonnaise, some garlic aioli, turkey, and cheese. We're gonna be making just a toasted turkey and cheese sandwich, but with some condiments that, like garlic aioli, that will add a little bit of extra texture and flavor to it, along with our lemonade drink. So mainly it's a what's for drink Wednesday, but I mean, honestly, this drink is probably like an amazing mixer for alcohol. I just don't feel like drinking tonight, so you could drink it and mix it with some alcohol if you really want to. We're gonna wait for our bread to toast. We're gonna put it on both sides, and then we're going to be using some Lay's potato chips in between the bread pieces and the meat and the cheese to create the nostalgia that we know as chips sandwiches from when we were kids. Let me open up these chips here. Yes, classic at the pool sandwich. You can swap out these chips for literally whatever kind of chips you'd like. You could swap out the meat and the cheese for your preference. Just kind of the chips and sandwich vibe is what we're going for here. Cheers, y'all. Mayonnaise your bread, damn it. Or your toast. Mayonnaise your toast. I need to mayonnaise both pieces. Round 2. Mayonnaise your toast. I'm gonna do this piece first. This looks like it has a little more on it. Okay, you don't need to have too much because you are gonna be putting another condiment on. I almost said sauce. Saucy. Okay, I'm spreading a thin, light layer of garlic aioli all over this. Not too much because you don't want to drench it in seasoning. Next, you got to get your cheese. Get your cheese out and ready to go. Because once you touch the meat, your hands are going to get a little gross. I'm going to be using Colby Jack, but you can use any kind of cheese that you like. We got some turkey breast. I prefer oven roasted, thin sliced turkey breast, but you can use whatever kind of meat you'd like. Oh, that smells so fucking good. Oh my god. I'm going to get a little baggy before I get my hands gross, so that way I can preserve it a little bit longer. Alright. I'm going to take a couple thin pieces, just because I don't want to overload it. Alright, I'm going to put 2 pieces on each piece of bread. 1 more piece. Okay. Got our meat down. You're gonna put your piece of cheese, and that's where you're gonna leave it, because then you're gonna put your chips on top of that. Make sure y'all make some food, eat along with me. If you end up making this, let me know down in the comments below what you think about this meal. I hope you guys enjoy. So definitely something simple, not something too extravagant, but it was fun to make and delicious to eat. I'm super excited, really looking forward to eating this. This is where I'm going to kind of just lather chips on. Oh god. I'm gonna layer them. So it's the perfect pool day snack, perfect summer snack. Meal, if you want to call this a meal. I'm calling it a meal because I haven't eaten all day. And I was really craving something like this. It's salty, it's savory. You got your lemonade that's sour to wash it all down with. It's a good combo, good pairing. So you got, they look like this until you smush them down a little bit, and they become a little bit more flat. And then you've got your sandwiches, your chips and lemonade. This is American Nostalgia toasted sandwiches with mayo, garlic aioli, thin sliced oven roasted turkey breast, sliced Colby Jack cheese, and potato chips. Regular potato chips. You can use whatever kind of chips you want. You could swap out the meat and the cheese for whatever kind you'd prefer, as well as the condiments. Nothing's really set in stone here. You kind of just make it as you go. The lemonade, though, on the other hand, make it to your own liking, honestly, because you don't want to have it too sour if you're not really a sour fan. I like mine a little bit more on the sour side, so I would add a little bit more sugar and mix it in if you want yours a little bit more sugary. But I think this is an amazing combo. What do we think? Would y'all eat this? Rated 1 through 10. If you do end up making this, let me know down in the comments below. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to check me out on all socials at gabsxrose. That is going to be it for today is What's for Dinner Wednesday, along with what's to drink. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be live on my Twitch at gabsxrose. I'm gonna go switch over screens here, and I'll see you all in the next one. So we're gonna go switch over to my PC so we can watch a YouTube video and eat together. So go grab a snack, go make some dinner. I hope to see y'all over there. And then we're gonna get into some Wiz gaming for tonight, for the rest of Wiz Wednesday, and then we'll play some Valorant later to end off. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!